ideas for my next video. But you guys can tell by the title that this is my everyday skin routine. And I'm in my kitchen because in the restroom we had an echo and bad lighting. So I'm just like, you know what? We're not doing that today. So I'm in my kitchen because we're not doing all that. But if you guys want to know how to get clear skin and get all those like bumps and pimples away, then this video is specifically for you to keep watching because, honey, I'm going to show you guys how to get clear skin with just cheap stuff. Just wash your face every night and every day and you will get clear skin. It's simple as that. But let's just hop into the video. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to show you guys what I use and how I use it. So first thing first, I use only Dove soap. I mean, you can use any soap you want to, but I use Dove soap for my face and my body, like all that. Just Dove soap is like the best soap out there. I don't care about none of that. But I just like Dove soap, you know? And then I use this from Walmart. As you can see, it's halfway gone. So, you know, I use this a lot. And it's really good for your skin because it has like little like balls in it, like little like hard balls kind of. And I just like how it feels on my face, and then after I wash it off, it just felt refreshing, if that makes sense. But I just like this. Like, I love this so much, and I'm going to give me a new one because this shit really works. But I'm going to show you guys how I like put it on my face and how long I keep it on my face for. So let's just hop into it, guys. So first thing first is damp your face. So when you put the stuff on, it can just slide on easily. And then take your Dove soap, just like this. Take your Dove soap and then just put it on your face. That's it. That's all, guys. Just rub it all up on your face. I mean, you guys can use like the little spinny things, but I don't have one. I need to buy one though because it's like really good for your face. But I don't have one at this moment, so I'm just gonna show you guys. If you guys don't have one of those, just use your hands. I mean, your hands work just as fine as anything else. Like, as long as you wash your face, you're gonna be okay. Like, literally. And then once that's on, once you got the whole, like, once you put the soap on your face, just let it sit for about 4 to 5 minutes. I mean, that is a long time, but I mean, look at me. I have clear skin and it works for me. So just leave it on for like 4 to 5 minutes, and then once it like almost dries, then that's when you would like wash it off. So I'll be back once it like dries a little bit, and then show you guys. Okay guys, so now that it's been like 4 to 5 minutes, your face should look something like this. Like, it should be like almost dry, like this. And then once that's like almost dry, then you wash it off. So let's wash off our face now. And then when you wash your face off, just wash it with your hand. I mean, you don't need all that expensive ass shit to get clear skin. Like, that's just real. So let's just wash our face off. Okay guys, once that's off, then we're going to go in with this baby right here. If you guys hear noise, it's because Jason's in the back just doing too much, so let's just ignore Jason for right now. So then once you wash your face off, put this on. Oh, this feels so good, guys. Like, oh my god. And then just put this one on just like this. And then let this one sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Not that long, like the Dove soap. So the Dove soap for 4 to 5 minutes, and then for the face cleaning soap for only 2 to 3 minutes. So let that sit, and once you get to the 3 minutes, take it off. So once it's dried a little bit, I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So once that's like almost dry, it should look something like this. And then just wash that off. So let's just wash it off our face. Okay guys, let me bring you guys back up. Okay guys, so then just get a towel and then just dab your face Okay? Don't go like this. Just damp your face. Okay, once that's done, guys, by the way, my face just feels so bomb. Like, I'm just loving my face right now. And then for my lips, I go in with some chapstick, Carmex, what do you want to call it, and just put that on my lips so they won't be all dry. And then I just take a little bit of my lotion and then just put, Jason, this much on my face. And guys, that's pretty much all I do. Like, as you guys can see, my face look really like refreshing, and I don't have that many bumps or acne on my skin. So yeah, guys, it's easy. Just use Dove soap and then go to Walmart and buy some of this, and you can get clear skin. But make sure you wash your face every morning and every night, just because like bacteria on the pillows and the covers and stuff like that. So make sure you wash your face twice a day. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below ideas for my next video. But I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, guys, I will be back with more videos. Bye, guys. I love you.